Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up on the home screen, on the current watch face, to open the menu. After you open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the vibration option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the vibration settings, and we can disable and enable the vibration. Make sure that it's enabled, and once you enable the vibration, find the vibration option, and here we can tap on vibration, and we have a vibration duration and vibration intensity. Duration basically changes how long the vibration goes for, and the intensity changes the intensity level. So select the ones you like, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.